steam engine?
I like the steam engines a lot because those are engines that look alive. They
How
have
does
smoke,
this?
they have a lot of sound, and they look like a big beast when it wishes. It's like a big, big
How,
beast that is alive.
how does the signal works?
The signals works because the wheels are like made of metal. When the metal touches the railway, it's making a circuit. When it passes through a rubber, it stops the circuit, and with that, the circuit gives the signal to change the color from red to green. Some have red, yellow, and green. That's how the system works. What is your question number 3?
How does the river crossing close?
The railroad crossing close works the same as the signal. It passes through an insulation, the wheel passes through an insulation or rubber, and then that stops the electricity. When it stops the electricity, the motor starts moving the signal. And that's how the crossing signal works.
Can a diesel engine pull a steam engine?
Yes, a big diesel engine can pull a big steam engine, but sometimes a diesel engine cannot pull a steam engine. Do you know that the Caltrain has 4,000 horses in the horsepower? And do you know that a steam engine, one of the biggest one, has 6,000 horsepower? That's 50% more horsepower in the steam engine than the Caltrain.